Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your name on Among Us mobile. It's really easy and it doesn't matter if you're using Android or iOS device because the process will be pretty much the same and it's really simple. So the first step what you need to do here is to of course go to Among Us mobile, and then probably you will see this window, and then as you can see here there is 4 buttons, local and online. You need to click one of these, and once you do that, as you can see here on a top there is T letters, so basically this is my nickname, and if you want to change it just tap on it and just write the name you want, and when you're done press done. On the iPhone, as you can see here next to your nickname, and on Android should be something similar, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can change your name on Among Us mobile. So guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.